Hi everyone, welcome to Danny Dev. In this video, we are going to learn how to remove the background of an image and use it for your website. So you first visit your browser and you type remove.bg. Then you come here, remove background from image for free. Then you come to upload image. Then you go to where your image is located. So this is the image and I have removed the background. Then you click on download for free. So I'm done. So this is the image I just removed the background. Here's the image without any background. Thank you for watching.